The Amish people live a life that feels like stepping back in time, a world untouched by the chaos of modern technology. No buzzing smartphones, no glowing TV screens, and no roaring cars. Instead, you'll find horse-drawn buggies gently rolling along quiet roads, oil lamps casting a warm glow in their homes, and families gathered around handmade tables sharing stories and laughter. But don't mistake this simplicity for backwardness. It's a conscious, deeply spiritual choice to preserve their way of life. Their rejection of modern gadgets isn't about hardship. It's about finding happiness in faith, family, and community. In a world racing toward endless innovation, the Amish remind us of the beauty in slowing down and living intentionally. This is a way of life so unique, it feels almost like a hidden world waiting to be discovered.